Now is the best time to buy property. If you're out there looking for a new home, or perhaps you're thinking about investing in commercial or residential real estate, right now is the time to act. Right now is the best time to find a deal, and there is opportunities out there if you know where to look. This is going to be a short video. I'm not going to get into all the reasons why property prices may continue to increase, such as increases in GDP, increases in employment, increases in population, low interest rates, inflation increasing, lack of supply, construction costs going up, as well as record savings levels. I will go into all that detail and way more in a video in the next few weeks before the new year, outlining predictions for 2022. So make sure you do subscribe to the channel so you don't miss that one. In this video, what I want to discuss is why right now is the best time to find a deal, and why December is the best month of the year to pick up deals within the property market. If you're watching this video past December, don't worry, there's still plenty of helpful information that will help you in the future. And also subscribing to this channel will help you and I in the future as well. So hit that button and do us both a favor and subscribe. There are a few reasons why I think December is the best month to find deals in the real estate market. The number one reason is lack of competition. You are bidding against less potential buyers, and that is because a number of people take themselves out of the market in December because their focus is elsewhere. Some of them are focused on year-end targets, some of them are focused on Christmas holidays and Christmas plans and buying presents. Some have no time on their hands because they're being asked out to Christmas dinners and Christmas drinks and meeting up with friends. The last thing they have on their mind is going viewing properties. Also, the cold and dark evenings do not inspire people to go out and look at property, and many people push their aspirations to buy till the next year. Commercial and institutional investors also don't focus too much on buying in December. They're too focused on being brought out by advisors for boozy lunches, year-end targets. Also, what they want to focus on is deals that they've actually already agreed to, and they want to close them out before the year end, rather than trying to find new deals in December. This creates opportunities for buyers who stay focused. Granted, it's not the only month of the year that buyers lose focus. Traditionally speaking, July and August buyers do lose focus because they go on summer holidays, but December has a unique quality because it's also year end. And this year end creates additional opportunities over the months of August and July. Sellers become more motivated because they want to go sale agreed before the end of the year. Agents also become more motivated because they want to get it done before the end of the year. And they also don't want to compete with new stock coming onto the market in January and February. Some commercial and institution sellers, as well as receivers or foreclosures, may have certain targets before year end in terms of getting a number of contracts sale agreed or a number of contracts completed. Therefore, they will be more motivated to actually accept an offer. That motivation is not there in July or August. This is why I believe December is the best month to find real estate deals. The best place to look are properties that have been on the market for a while, as well as receiver and foreclosure sales. If you know anyone who's looking for property out there, perhaps you can share this video. They might get a helpful tip and find the deal that they're looking for. If you found this video useful, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future videos.